Namaste all. I'm Tejasvi from Cosmic Thread Spiritual Foundation. I'm a practicing astrologer and Vastu consultant. I do make videos on our ancient science, that is astrology, Yoga Shastra, Vastu Shastra and Ayurveda, because I have learned that these all Shastras are branches of our Vedas, our ancient science, and all are the branches of the same root. So, to obtain the best results in our life regarding any problem, if we make a perfect balance of all of these, it will lead us towards prosperity, happy, and healthy life. You can reach to me for personal consultation through our website and office number. Both are given in description box. And now, why we are here today? We are here today to complete our long painting series about crystals. So due to my exams, I couldn't continue about that. Then later on there are other events, but today I have decided I'll get it done. So now let's talk about amethyst. Are you looking for positivity in your life, or want to strengthen the bond in relationship, any kind of relationship, or you want to come out of depression? The one answer is there, amethyst. Amethyst gets its name from two Greek words. A means not and methysos means intoxicated. This is the gemstone. This is the crystal which is popular as Jamunia, as the name of Jamunia in our country. Amethyst is a natural tranquilizer. It relieves stress and strain, soothes irritability, balances the mood swings, dispels the anger, rage, and anxiety. It works as a great general purpose luck gemstone. It is a lucky gemstone. It can be a substitute for any original gemstone. It is usually a purple, with dark hues being more powerful and bringing a good luck. As amethyst in astrology considered as a Saturn stone. If Capricorn and Aquarius signs people wear it, it will be definitely help them. You can wear it as a bracelet, pendant or any form of jewelry, or simply keep this stone with you or hold it for a while to get energy. Now let's know the remedy. As I promise, every video will give you one remedy. So today's remedy for amethyst only. If you are facing any challenges in any kind of relationship, it can be with your partner, parents or friends, anyone. Take a photocopy of yours and them together and keep it in the east direction. Keep the amethyst crystal on it for 21 days and see the miracle. Now the best part, that we have to re-energize our crystals. How to do that? So to recharge your crystals, place your crystals under sunlight in morning 6 to 10 on the very clean surface or cotton or cloth, any soft cloth, and make sure that the crystal is on clean surface, not on the terrace or lying on the floor or anywhere. Another thing is that water. Water is one of the best way to cleansing any crystal, because water helps to wash away all the negativity. It has all the emotions, vibrations and positivity which we get for our body from water. So we can simply energize our crystals also with that. All you have to do is keep your crystals under running water for 1 minute. If the water resources are natural, it's too good. But considering today's lifestyle, that's quite impossible for each one of us. So if it is not accessible, you can simply keep your crystals under running water, a tap water, and energize them and then keep them. The one more thing we can do to energize them is keep our crystals under the moonlight in every full moon night. Now we have done with almost all of our crystals. If they are remaining, I'll get all of them done today itself. But one more interesting thing, today is the full moon night and I'm coming with the chakra healing meditation for tonight. So join me for chakra healing meditation. I will upload my video so you can, I will upload around 8 o'clock in the evening. So you can, as per your timings and convenience, play the video and sit comfortably if possible in the moonlight to get energized by moon energy and do the meditation. Till the time, stay connected, stay tuned and stay happy. Shubham Bhavatu.